In this video, we will demonstrate the TurnKey Lender platform for small and medium enterprises. First, the borrower submits the online application, providing the required loan amount and term. The credit inspector then verifies all applications, submitting them to other loan officers for further processing. In the case of a secured loan, the collateral manager specifies the estimated cost of the collateral and provides recommendations. Financial score points will be calculated automatically. The credit analyst provides the qualifying analysis and makes a recommendation on what decision should be made. After that, the risk manager verifies the loan application and makes the final decision. If the approval of the credit committee is required, the application goes for voting to the credit committee workplace. Once the application is approved, it goes to the credit inspector, who generates the credit agreement and disperses the loan. Let's start with the front end of TurnKey Lender. The borrower's access point. To register online, follow the registration link. In the business details area, fill in the company details. All required fields are highlighted in pink. Click the Next button to proceed. Fill in the contact person details area. Enter and confirm the password. Input CAPTCHA symbols, agree to the platform policy, and click the Register button. Once the registration form has been submitted, the system will verify the company registration in the third-party system, for example, a registration bureau. An API integration is used for that. The system will create a user account and send an email confirming the registration. Follow the link in the confirmation email. On the open web page, click Login. You will be automatically redirected to the customer workplace. Here you can create a new loan application, monitor the current state of your applications, and manage your profile. The My Profile tab displays enterprise and personal information. By default, the system uploads the data available in the registration bureau, but it also uploads the data provided by the user during registration. The user can specify financials and bank statement information in two ways, either importing data from a file or filling in data manually. To import data from a file, activate the Import Financial Data from File checkbox. Specify time intervals, currency, information about the audit, and download the relevant financial and bank statements. Click Update to proceed. To create a new loan application, specify the loan amount, select loan currency, repayment type, and source of loan repayment. Specify the loan purpose. Once submitted, the loan application will be forwarded to the credit inspector workplace for further decision-making. The credit inspector can create new applications, modify online applications submitted by a customer, revise applications with the rework label, edit conditionally approved loan applications, approved on condition that additional guarantees are provided, and also review and edit both approved and rejected applications. To specify a final decision on the customer whose application is approved, click the Approved Applications tab. Select the relevant application, choose either to approve or reject, and provide the comments. If the customer decision is approve, the system generates a set of documents, including the loan agreement and payment schedule. After the borrower gets acquainted with the documents, specify the disbursement day, and click the Disbursement button to send the application to archive. To modify the application submitted online, click the Online Applications tab and choose the application to be edited. Fill in any missing data or edit the existing data. Download the financial and bank statements. Select necessary eligibility rules. Submit the loan application by clicking the Submit button. To create a new application, go to the Create New Application menu item. You can either go with a new company or select a company that is already registered in the database. Specify the loan terms, business information, shareholders and representatives, and guarantors. Enter any relevant data on collateral. Specify the additional company information in the Enterprise Background section. Enter your comments. Upload the financial and bank statements, guarantor documents, collateral documents, and other additional documents can also be uploaded in this section. Activate any eligibility rules to be used during the analysis of company eligibility. Once submitted, the application will be forwarded to the Credit Analyst workplace for further processing. In the case of collateral-based lending, the application will be transferred to the Collateral Manager first. Provide a market value and appraisal value for the selected collateral, and add any relevant comments. A discount value will be calculated automatically. Specify a decision and click the End Work button to complete. For further application processing, go to the Credit Analyst workplace, which contains all applications submitted by the Credit Inspector for review. The loan application form contains the loan terms and conditions section and the set of tabs that include the following information. General overview. The overview includes scoring information, application form submitted by the Credit Inspector, financial and bank statement. The tab displays information about the time frame of provided financial and bank statements. The Financial Ratio Score tab includes the Financial Ratio Score and Financial Ratio Analysis sections. The tab displays results of the scoring procedure for financial parameters and also gives the total financial score calculation. The Financial Ratio Analysis tab contains a set of variables, formulas for their calculation, definitions, and value for the first and second years. The Qualitative Analysis tab contains information on the model, which cannot otherwise be quantified. This information is used to estimate the enterprise potential. The following factors are considered: business aspects, management aspects, company professional quality, and market and branch position of the company. To conduct the qualitative analysis, fill in the data in the Qualitative Analysis tab. The total qualitative score, which is essentially the value of the total rating score, will be recalculated. In the Credit Analysis Review section, provide recommendations if necessary. Establish the maximum loan amount. Specify the term, interest rate, and repayment type. Provide a recommended decision. Approve, reject, or rework. If the recommended decision is approve or reject, the application will be forwarded to the Risk Manager. Provide any relevant comments and submit the application. The Risk Manager workplace displays rejected and approved loan applications that have been reviewed by the Credit Analyst. For further processing of the application, specify recommendations in the Risk Manager Review section. Maximum loan amount, loan term, interest rate, and repayment type. Specify a decision and provide comments if necessary. Click Submit to proceed. If loan applications should be additionally reviewed, they will be transferred to a Credit Committee workplace. Members of the Credit Committee can view the application details, information about requested loan terms and conditions, as well as provide a final decision. After a final decision has been specified, the application is sent to the archive. This menu item contains loan applications that have either been approved or rejected by the Credit Inspector, Risk Manager, and Credit Committee. The Administrator workplace allows users to set the parameters of the qualitative and financial score. To set parameters of financial ratio score weights, select an industry and the parameter name. In the table, specify a minimum and maximum threshold and a quartile score value. Once the loan is dispersed, the application moves to the servicing section. The loan manager monitors repayment process for all active accounts. The system gives a detailed summary for each loan, as well as the customer payment schedule. Any information about the payment will be registered in the Add Payment form and moved to the Payments Details tab. The loan manager can also restructure loan applications. Customers who have overdue payments will appear in the Collection section. Using the Actions button, the collector can register an action plan for each customer. The collector is also able to register a new payment from the customer, as well as restructure the loan. The dashboard menu item displays various statistics regarding such things as the number of applications, the loan amount, etc., based on the selected industry and time interval. To review these statistics, select an industry type from the list of available values and click Update. You have watched the overview of TurnKey Lender SME. Thank you for your attention. We are looking forward to your questions about how to apply TurnKey Lender to your business in the most efficient way. Please contact us at sales@turnkey-lender.com.